Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about contact constraint. For that, select rectangle design, assembly design, and I select existing component, product 1, select display, select open, again select existing component, I select product 1 and display, part 1, select open, select manipulation and manipulate it upside, select OK. Now, if we want to contact join this plate with this plate, here is the constraint, that is contact constraint. Select it, select this plate, create the model and select this plate. Now select a plate. You can also press Ctrl plus U from keyboard. This is the contact constraint.